Alright, what's going on, guys? It's been a minute, I know it is, but I have some good news to share with you. So I recently got some new packages and some products from one of my sponsors you guys know, Downwind Customs. He went ahead and I talked him out with him, waited for this. This is a white teardrop shift knob, supported for the STI, has a little cutout. Can't wait to get this on and test it out. He sent me out a laser engraved keychain that's made of wood. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell. There it is. That's pretty cool. And then the biggest thing are these canards. So I'll do an install video of them once I have my bumper and all that. So we'll see how these look. I'll do an installation video for you guys in case anyone else purchases these. So yeah, these will go on the car. Not too aggressive, kind of what I like. And then also a plate delete, Downwind Customs plate delete. So that's pretty awesome on Jake's part from Downwind Customs. If you guys want 10% off, please use the promo code CALIWRX. And then the next person that I actually got a new sponsorship with, which I haven't told any of you guys yet, except if you follow me on Instagram, is Tube Dreamers. So he's a big guy, Peasantgang on Instagram. And he sent me out, so I'm not going to pronounce these because I know I'll butcher their names, but they're all like peeking faces. So you got these stickers. This one Michaela wants for her car. Then you got all these guys, stuff like that. Sent out an air freshener. If you guys know, I had that 90s Kids, God, I'm blanking on the name, but you guys, I had that air freshener for a while and it's finally fading. So he sent me out another one. Definitely will rock that. And then he sent me out a whole bunch of slaps or stickers, and hopefully maybe one day I'll get a banner to rock underneath the carbon fiber of my wing. But we have this one, which is just a classic cherry blossom with glitter style. Might have to bump up the ISO. So there's this. And then this one's funny. If she ain't foreign, she boring. That one's pretty good. Classic, another one. Oil slick kind of deal going on. The night drives, the oil slick. This is our therapy, forever and always. And then another classic night drives, which I actually have one of these. It was on my car, and I think I installed it wrong because it started peeling. And then, yeah, so hopefully new products with stuff go on. And if you guys write my name, CALIWRX, in the notes box of when you pay on his big cartel site, which I'll have down below. You guys, he has no discount code, but if you write CALIWRX in the promo code or in the notes section, he'll send you a free gift. So do that if you guys want a free gift when you order from his website. I'll have the link down below to him and Downwind Customs as well. But that's it for sponsorship wise. Car news wise, I know it's been a while. It's been longer than I thought, but it's whatever. It's the name of the game, building a car. Hopefully the motor will be back. I mean, all the parts are there. Adam's ready to go on it. It's just waiting for the machine shop, which is out of our hands. So once it's back, I think it'll be good to go, and car will be back before WECFest is done, so I'll be able to get it tuned. So I will update you guys when I have some more info.